fix D drive is not accessible incorrect function problem. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the drive is not accessible incorrect function. First thing you're going to do is find, like for example, the drive that you're having issue with. For me, it can be E drive. What you need to do is right click on it and then you'll find the option of properties. You need to click on properties. From properties, you need to go with the tool section and then click on check. In some cases, this will fix your issue. If this doesn't fix your issue, then you can go ahead and go with your search and search for CMD. Right click on it, go with run as administrator, click on yes. Now you need to open up your drive like this and then go with your command prompt. Keep it like this. So here you need to keep in mind, you need to type CHKDS1 and then type space. And in my case, it's a letter E because I'm facing problems with my E drive. So you can go with D if you're facing with your D drive. And then go with colon space / R space / F. Now make sure you have the letter of the drive in which you're facing the problem. And now you need to press the enter and let it load for a few seconds. It might take a few seconds or a few minutes as well. After it finishes loading, you can close this down and restart your computer and hopefully your issue will be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.